everyone. Once again, I'm very late with my video. I realized actually that it was very difficult for me to do videos right now because of my work, but also because we are entering in the tax period, and then I will have again my visa concern to deal with. So all that takes a lot of time, and I don't like working like that. I mean, not being fully involved in what I'm doing. When I do a video, I really want to do my video and not think of anything else. But you know, it's very soon Christmas, I'm selling stuff, so of course I have a lot of work to do, and it's not easy to squeeze everything in the same time. Usually I'm a perfectionist and I don't like to do my videos badly. So that's why today I'm not going to be decluttering. It's too much work to organize the shooting and to know how to film. So I thought that I would do something very simple that I hope you will like, and I cannot guarantee you when I will come back. I'm not saying that I'm stopping doing videos, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that I cannot tell you what will be my schedule, because obviously I cannot stick to my schedule or what I want to do. It's not that I don't like doing videos, I love doing that. It's just that my work comes first. I love my work also, I'm not complaining, I love my work, but unfortunately I have to choose. But I'm happy to be here today because I wanted to talk about something and to show you something. Okay, so to explain to you the situation, as I was saying, I'm working a lot. I don't have a lot of distraction. I don't do much beside my work. The only distractions that I had lately, it was actually my vaccine that I got. I had the 2 shots, and every time I went to my son's place because he wanted to check on me to be sure that I was fine, so I stayed there during 2-3 days, and I had to also organize my work accordingly, which is kind of complicated, but anyway. I also, the second time, so for the second shot, my son and my daughter-in-law were with me, and then they went away for, I think it was to a festival, a musical festival, and I stayed at their home to keep all the pets, because they have 2 cats and a dog, and I have a cat, so I was keeping the 3 cats and the dog. I cannot say it's a distraction, except that I love keeping the pets because they make me laugh a lot. But let's say that it makes some days off when I cannot say that I'm not working, because I'm never not working, but let's say that I'm working by a more complicated way, so it's not as hard as when I'm on my premises, I mean where I'm usually working. So basically the only fun that I have was that. My shots, I don't know if it's some fun, but it was fun to see my son and my daughter-in-law. It was fun to be with the pets, and beside that I don't have much. I'm working, and that's it. So especially since the COVID, everything is stopped. We cannot do things as we used to do before. Even now that I'm vaccinated, I'm very careful. However, I wanted to, how to say that? I wanted to congratulate myself to be brave enough to go to get the vaccine, because I was so scared by this specific vaccine. I'm not against vaccines, I'm completely pro-vaccines. It's just this one, I was a little not very comfortable with it. So I wanted to, yes, to congratulate myself, to spoil myself, to tell myself bravo, you did it. You were brave enough to go even though you were scared. So I bought a few things for myself, things that I wanted since months, if not 1 year, and I was like, no, I don't need it. No, it's going to make some stuff in my home. I have enough stuff. But this time I was like, so if not that, what? I do nothing. I can at least do that for myself. So I'm going to show you things that I bought for myself. It's mostly makeup and cosmetics. I gathered all the things that I bought here. I don't know if you can see. Yes. Usually I buy my makeup in, I don't know, at CVS, Target, stores like that. I don't usually go high-end unless I want something specific, but I think that usually what we can find at Target or CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, usually it's cheaper. Usually I go there because I think that the products are usually really good, and they are. Chiefly the mascaras are really, really good, like L'Oreal, Maybelline. These mascaras usually are rather good. But this time I wanted to try things that I saw. So I'm going to show you. First, I will start with a French designer. I cannot say that it's a French brand because she lives in New York and she works in the US, but she sells also in France. Her name is Violette and the brand is Violette FR, like for France. She worked a lot for Estée Lauder, so I thought she must know what she's talking about, and I wanted to try because she has a very, I am talking about Violette, the French designer. She has a very interesting approach about makeup. It's more makeup on the go, makeup to do fast. Even if you are at a coffee shop, you can do your makeup there. It doesn't mean very elaborate makeup during 1 hour in front of a mirror. And I like that because I like when makeup is fast. During years I was doing my makeup and it lasted like 5 minutes and I was done. And I'm not a big fan of foundation and things like that because I like when it's more natural. Of course, when I do a video like that, actually I'm not wearing a foundation. I'm wearing like a tinted moisturizer, so it's not exactly a foundation, but I have something on my skin. Sometimes I use foundation, but really for my videos or for exceptional events, but I mean every day I never wear foundation, never. So to come back to Violette, I really wanted to try her products because I was curious, and for once, it's a French designer. Usually I'm not very interested in French creators, I must say. And for once I was interested, so I was happy to find a French woman who seems to be very innovative. Do we say that? She seems to invent something. Yes, she's inventing a way of doing makeup, and I love that. So I'm going to show you what I bought from her. So I bought this thing. Look how, I don't know if you manage to see how beautiful it is. So it's called Universal Highlighter. She called that Balm Shine. So it's like that. It's some highlighter. I cannot do my makeup in front of you because I don't have enough light. I don't have the right camera, and you are not going to see anything. But it's creamy. It's not dry. What I like is that the color is a little champagne, I would call that. It's very natural. You can put it, even if you already powdered your face, you can put it at the end. It will stay. I have some here, but it's not in your face. Especially, I don't have a lot of light. But when you are in the light outside, we can see it a little, but it's very natural. And on the go, that's perfect because you don't need a brush and you don't need all this thing. You just do, I'm just showing you, just do this. and and that's it. And it's really nice, especially, I mean, on a young skin everything is nice, but when you arrive at my age you must be very careful not to use product which exaggerate your wrinkles or your skin if your skin is not so great. And this is perfect. It's enhancing, it's not making it worse, so I really like that. The second thing that I bought, it's Bisou Balm. So Bisou, it's kiss in French. Bisou Balm, so it's a sheer matte, she says lipstick. For me it's more a balm than a lipstick. I already have a lipstick, so I'm not going to... It's very sheer. No, you're not going to see anything. It's very sheer, it's matte. I usually like to put a clear balm underneath because my lips are always very dry. It's like almost the color of your lips. It depends what color are your lips. But my lips are naturally rather dark pink, I would say, almost red, and it's very close to the color of my lips, and it's very pleasant to wear, so I'm very happy with this thing. Also nice design. I don't know if you see, it's white on white, so a very nice design. In your bag, in your purse, it doesn't take a lot of space, you see. Okay, then I continued with these two things. So it's what she called yeux paint. So yeux, it's eyes, yeux, it's written yeux, but we say les yeux. So eye paint, it's some paint, but why she does call that like that? Because really it looks like, it makes me think of some acrylic paint. It's really like some paint. I mean, I do one, for example, this one, the color is Tout Doux, I think. Yes, the color is Tout Doux. So it's a beige, but warm beige, a very elegant beige. And I love that, but you must learn to use it because it dries rather fast. So you must do one eye, you put a dot, you must not put a lot because you don't need a lot. So just a dot, just a little, and then you can spread it with your finger or with a brush if you want. I use my finger. And once it's dry, it's dry. I used that to go to the post office. I didn't walk, I almost ran to the post office because I was late. I was sweating like crazy. When I came back home, and when I come back it goes up, the boulevard is really going up. I was sweating, you can't imagine, but that was still on my eyes. It was incredible, and I just put that. And you can also build it if you don't put enough, you can add more, and it doesn't move. You must learn a little how to use it, but once you understand, it's very convenient because if you don't want to take a lot of time to do your makeup, that is perfect. It's very fast, it's matte, so it doesn't accentuate your wrinkle or anything. It's beautiful, nice color. I was so happy with that, and then I ordered this one, which is Twinkling Liquid Eyeshadow Plus Liner. Yes, you can use them like eyeshadows or like liners. I use them more like eyeshadows. So this one, the color is the pink with some glitter in it, but the glitter is really very fine. You don't feel it on the eyes. And the pink is really nice. It's not a cold hot pink. It's rather a warm hot pink, so it's very easy to wear. And same thing, it doesn't move. It's incredible. It stays on your eyes. It's really incredible. So I recommend this thing. There are several colors. I just ordered the ones that I knew that I was going to use, but there is some blues, there is some gold, there is some copper. You must check. Okay, so then I went to Victoria Beckham website. because I've been wanting since almost 1 year to buy this eyeshadow palette, which is named Tweed. The design is absolutely incredible. It's very heavy. You receive it, it's heavy. And it's some metal. It's not plastic, it's metal. And here are the colors. So it's very warm, it's very perfect for fall or even winter. Since I've received it, I'm wearing it all the time. The color that I use the most is this one, but in the crease you can also use this one. The purple, which is here, I use it very often underneath. This one, I use it like a transition shade, but I mostly use these two ones the most. The purple also, I use it a lot under my eyes. It's not completely matte, there is a very light sheen on them, little satin, and there is some, the brown and the red, the terracotta red, are really matte. The tan and the purple, there is some shimmer in them, but it's barely visible. It's very flattering on the skin. For an everyday look, or even for not an everyday look, it's beautiful. I don't regret to have bought it. It's really worth, I think it's worth the money. Just the packaging is worth the money. It's expensive. I think it's around $50, something like that. It's expensive because it's really small, but it's going to last, you know. Eyeshadows last a very long time. Then I bought things at Estée Lauder website. So it's the first time that I buy from Estée Lauder. I have Estée Lauder products, but not because I was buying from her. It's because my mother was giving me product by Estée Lauder, so I knew the Estée Lauder products. Oh, it's not totally true what I'm saying. I bought at Sephora a product made by Estée Lauder, but it's the first time that I went to the Estée Lauder website to buy stuff from her. When I say her, from the company. I hate the website. I think it's badly done. There are too many advertising and things and windows popping up everywhere. I hate that. But I must admit that the products that I bought are really good. And when you buy for a certain amount, you can get some samples or some kit of products, and it's crazy. You end up with very good products, sometimes the real size of the product for free. So check on the Estée Lauder website. You will be surprised. I was very surprised. I don't like to go on it, but I'm very happy with my purchase. The delivery was a little long compared to Victoria Beckham or compared to Violette FR. Estée Lauder took more time to deliver, but I'm still happy. So the first thing that I wanted to buy, so it's a bronzer, the Bronze Goddess by Estée Lauder. Estée Lauder or Estée Lauder? I have the color 202 medium, and same thing. I love the packaging. It's big. It's really big. I think that I will have enough, but I use a lot of bronzer. I think powders and bronzers and mascaras are the products that I managed to finish. So I thought it would be a good investment, and I don't regret. It comes like this. There is a brush, but I don't use this brush. I don't really like this brush, but it's good to have, you know, on the go. And here it is inside. So it's rather, yes, I can say it's matte. It's matte, a beautiful matte. The color is perfect. It's slightly reddish. I like this kind of color for bronzer. Check, because there are 4 different colors. The number 1 is really too light for me, and I was hesitating between 2 and 3, but the 2 is a little more reddish, and that's what I wanted. So is it better than, for example, a Rimmel? I think of Rimmel or Milani bronzers that I like. I think so. I think it's a little better. It's more, I would say it's more elegant. But I have a Rimmel one that I really love. I have a Milani one that I really love. I have different bronzer. A NARS one, a sample that has been sent to me that I don't love. So sometimes, you know, high-end are not automatically better than what you find in the regular shops. But this one is really good. I don't regret. I will probably buy again, you know, because I really love it. So when I was ordering from Estée Lauder, I also ordered this eyeliner pencil. It's a pencil, double wear stained place eye pencil, 12 burgundy suede. It's a brown but rather burgundy. It's between brown and burgundy, and there is this thing at the other hand if you want to smudge the pencil. Very convenient. I love the color. It's exactly what I like. Very good pencil. And I also ordered a balm. Look at the beauty of that. So this is Irene Rose Lip Balm. Love it. I love the packaging. The packaging is beautiful. And I love the balm. I use, if there is something that I use a lot, it's balm for the lips. I have very dry lips, and I all the time put some lip balm all the time, the whole day, so I use them a lot. I don't regret. I will probably buy it again. Why I'm showing you all this, it's because it's soon Christmas, and it can give you ideas of presents for someone, or if you didn't know how it was working, these products were working, now you know. I love that. I love the packaging. I love the product. So when I ordered all this, I received samples, all kind of samples of product for the face, you know, like moisturizer and like serums and cream to put under the eyes and things like that. Incredible things to clean the face. I'm good to go during at least 3 months with these products, all the samples they sent to me. But I also received a small mascara. So this is a sample. It's Extreme Black 01 Sumptuous Extreme. You know what, usually I prefer going to buy, for example, a Maybelline or L'Oreal mascara, but I really like this one. It's what I'm wearing here. I think it's not very, they say volume. I think it's very lengthening. It's very feathering, like, yes, it doesn't make them very thick. I don't like when it's too thick or weird. It makes them natural but long and very feathery and very spreading like that. I don't know if you see. Usually I prefer using waterproof mascaras because my eyes have a tendency to cry very easily. But this one doesn't smudge much, so I'm glad with that. I received also free, so that was free. That was free, I didn't pay for it. I received for free also this lipstick by Estée Lauder, also a Pure Color Envy 420 Rebellious Rose. So it's a pink. I'm sorry, I'm not a beauty guru. I'm very bad at showing makeup. I really like it because it's it's what I have on my lips right now. It's like it's a lipstick, but I feel it like a balm, so I use it like a balm. Yes, it's very pleasant to wear on the lips. It's not drying. It's very moisturizing, comfortable. It smells good. Love it. I rarely buy lipsticks. The last lipstick that I bought is by Lisa Eldridge that I showed you already. But yeah, I rarely buy lipsticks, but I buy a lot of balms. And free from Estée Lauder, I got a black pencil. So Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Eye Pencil, color 01 Onyx, so it's black, and I like it, very good. So very happy with that. Free, also free. I got the lipstick, the mascara and the pencil free. I got them. Also from Sephora, I ordered that, so La Neige lip sleeping mask. So that is to put on at night when you go to bed. Put that on the lips. It's a pity that you can't smell. It smells so good. It's like, it's a little fruity. I think that it's some kind of berry, but I cannot say. Sleeping mask pour les lèvres. It's the original one. There are different scents for that, but I bought the original. Because Sephora sent me a sample, I loved it so much that I decided to buy this jar, which is going to last a long time because it lasts. Just the sample lasted maybe 2 weeks, so, and it was almost nothing, so I imagine how much time it's going to last. And I also ordered from Sephora this NARS, so it's unrestricted soft matte tinted lip balm. So it's also a balm. The color is more nude brownish. That smells really good. It's very pleasant to wear. I bought that, so I bought that at CVS, so it's even not high-end. It's a Maybelline, so I don't know if I showed you correctly this one, the NARS one. Packaging is beautiful too. And this one, the packaging is actually beautiful. So CVS, Lifter Gloss. It's a gloss. It's the only gloss that I have. I used to have many glosses given by my mother to me, but I don't have them anymore. And that is the number, so I bought one because I didn't have any gloss anymore. So this, the color is 009 Topaz by Maybelline. I love the packaging. I really love the packaging. And that I can put above a lip balm, above a lipstick. And that smells so good. It's very cushiony. It's very comfortable. That is comfortable. And it smells so good. It smells like some cake, or I don't know what. Same thing. That is something that I'm going to put on maybe 10 times in a day. So I use a lot. But one lip gloss is enough. I don't need 10 lip glosses. It's quite enough, and when it's done, I will buy another one. So I was showing you all this because these things are the little pleasures in life. Making my makeup, it's between art. Well, I'm not a makeup artist, but for me, when I use color in my paintings or when I use color on my face, it's a little, there is something a little similar for me. And also it's very, how to say that, relaxing to do the makeup. It's something relaxing. So it's a little pleasure in my life. I'm not saying that I'm wearing some makeup every day when I see nobody and I'm at home alone. Of course, I'm going to put some lip balm for sure, but I'm not going to wear some makeup. I'm not wearing some makeup every day. But I would say that maybe half of the week I'm wearing some makeup. And I love makeup. I don't like to have too much makeup, too many things, because then I'm overwhelmed. But I also like to experiment. I like to try new products, and I like to have things which work. I don't like to have things that I don't like. When I don't like, I give them away, or when they are not good anymore, I throw them. But I'm talking about that because, for example, these things by Violette, it can make beautiful gifts, really. I precise Violette is not my friend. It's not because she's French that I know her. There are a lot of people in France. We don't know, everybody doesn't know each other. We don't know everybody. I don't know her. I really like her concept, her products. I think they are really good. I'm going to try more probably. I'm glad to, yes, to talk about someone who is a creator and who is French and who makes so beautiful product. Actually, this one, I'm going to offer it also, not this one, the same one as this one. I'm offering it to my daughter-in-law because she loves everything which is pink and glitter, so that's perfect. It makes a wonderful Christmas gift. Imagine just a lip balm, this beautiful Christmas gift. Something like that, you imagine, wonderful. Something like that, for me, it's a piece of art. Just the packaging, it's a piece of art. Such a beautiful gift. Even something like that, at Sephora during the sales, there were a set of 3, but I missed it. Never mind, I'm glad that I got this one because it's the one that I wanted anyway. It's a beautiful gift for someone who has very dry lips, or for people who live in countries where it's very cold, like, I don't know, in Canada or even in France. If you can get La Neige, oh, I think it must be French, La Neige, maybe not. I don't know where it is made, but La Neige, it's a French word. It means the snow in French. Oh, it could be Canadian also. I thought I would give you ideas for present to do for Christmas, if you are interested in makeup, of course. I imagine that the people who are coming to me for my videos about music, they are wondering what I'm talking about. What is she doing? She's talking about her makeup. Oh, it's not the first time that I do a video about makeup, but it's not usual. I don't usually do that. But it's a part of my little pleasures, my little treasures, where the things that I play with and which make me happy. You can't imagine when I put this bronzer on, it's like, I don't know why, especially that during a very long time I was wondering, what is that, a bronzer? That is ridiculous. I don't want to be bronzed. And one day, many years ago, it was before I came here in the US, so more than 15 years ago, maybe 16 or 17 years ago, I bought the Guerlain, you know, the Guerlain bronzer. I think the name is Terracotta or something like that. I still have it. I finished it. And I love this bronzer. I was using it like a blush. I even was not using the blush. I was just using the bronzer. And I've worn it so much that I finished it. I still have the... Oh, I must show you. I'm showing you my oldie. So this is Terracotta Doré, so gold terracotta, poudre bronzante, so bronzing powder by Guerlain. So here it is, you have the mirror and the thing, and look, here is what is remaining, but it's very old, so yes, it's really dry now, but I almost finished. Yes, I can say I finished it because what is there, it's not a lot, but I love this one. You can't imagine how much I love this one. The packaging is not the same anymore, but I love this packaging. It's so beautiful, and I'm keeping it because I love this product so much. You can't imagine how much I love this bronzer, and I realize that I'm talking about a bronzer. But you know, when I look at it, it makes me happy. When I look at it, really, it makes me happy. And I remember when I went to Guerlain to buy it in Paris, I bought that in Paris. So that is an oldie. You are not going to find this specific one anymore. It's very old. And just to show you this one, something like $5. Rimmel Natural Bronzer. The color that I have is 022 Sun Bronze. Fabulous. This is fabulous. Love it. Another one which is very good. This one is a little pale for me, so it's good when I'm pale. When I'm really white, it's perfect. True Match Lumi Bronze It. Sun-Kissed Bronzer for face et body. Poudre bronzante pour le visage et le corps. So, the color I have here is 01. It's rather pale, but even pale, it's so beautiful. Oh, and there is also this one. So this one is Milani Baked Bronzer 04 Glow. I don't know if you still find it because I bought it a while ago, but you know, it was baked, so it was very like this, and now it's completely flat. And oh, I love this one. I have a backup of this one so much. I love it. That is a little shimmery. I really, really, really love it, but it's completely flat. I don't know how much there is remaining, but I'm going to finish it. I told you, bronzers are things that I use a lot and that I love a lot, which is very strange because I've never been a bronzer person until Guerlain, and then Guerlain gave me this disease of the bronzing disease, you know, and now I cannot live without a bronzer. When I start talking about makeup, I cannot stop, and I'm not a beauty guru and have no intention to start videos about makeup all the time, because I like watching them. It doesn't mean that I like doing them, but I wanted to talk about these specific products because I think that they are exceptional and I don't regret my purchases, and I'm very happy when I spend some money on something and it makes me happy, because when you spend your money and the product is not good, then you are very upset. But no, really, really very good. So I think that I'm going to stop now, because I still have to edit this video and I don't know when I'm going to do that. So much work to do. Anyway, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. I hope this video was somewhat interesting for you, even if I'm not the professional of makeup. I hope that you were interested in discovering Violette products. I precise that this video is not sponsored. Nobody paid me to say anything. I paid for all the products except for the products that Estée Lauder sent me for free, but not for me to talk about the products. It was just because I bought some products from Estée Lauder that she said, well, she said, not her, but on the website, if you buy for more than $75, you will get that for free. So it was the same for everybody. All that to tell you that these products, I paid for them, for those that I paid for, and that nobody asked me to talk about these products. I talk about them because I think that they are worth talking about them. So I hope it was interesting for you, and I will see you the next time, and I have no idea when. I will try to do my best, but honestly, I don't know. That's why I recommend that you subscribe. So if you subscribe and click on the bell, you will be notified as soon as I release a new video, by supposing that you are interested in what I'm talking about. And you must check on my channel. I talk about music, I talk about decluttering, and I talk about different things, including makeup, obviously. And please give me a thumb up if you like this video, and please comment if you have a question or anything to say. You're welcome to say so. Okay, I see you very soon, hopefully. Bye bye.